Good afternoon everyone, welcome to another video on CoinVista channel. I'm sorry for not posting videos in a while. My father passed away last week and I'm just gathering myself, but now I'm here because I want to share with you more new projects, cool stuff with you, new ways of making money online. But of course you need to do it with your head. Please be careful investing, do not ask for a loan, do not put money that you cannot lose. You need to always be careful. So today I have this amazing project that I would like to share with you. I deposited $2,500. The name of the project is YO.GO. The official start was 5th of May and it makes 0.5% up to 2% per day, and the project works like Spark Futures bot in the market volatility, but you have a lot of other coins than in Spark Futures bot, the project that I shared with you on one of my latest videos. But before we continue, do not forget to hit that like button, to subscribe to my channel and leave your comment down below. All of the links will be in the description, so you can find it there. So the project is really simple. First thing first, you need to download an app called Tonkeeper where you will deposit your money there. Then you need to connect this Tonkeeper to your YO.GO app, and then after that you can make a deposit from the Tonkeeper to your YO.GO app. So let me show you how is the project. It's really simple, nothing hard. After you deposit your money into the project, it will start working immediately. So let's get into the project. So here we have our project. It's in the Telegram, it's an app. Everything on the message is in Russian, but the app itself, you can change the language. You have Russian and English, so I'm going to show you. You click open. So here's how the project looks like. First thing that you will see is your balance. Like I said, I deposited $2,500. It made me already $225. Then you have 4 buttons: the deposit, withdraw, transactions and support. And down below you have the other 4 tabs: the home one, the team, trades and info. So let's start by the deposit. Like I said, you need to connect your Tonkeeper wallet. It says here I have it connected through my phone, not here. After that it will generate you an address for you to top up your balance from Tonkeeper. So please, before you top up your balance, you need to be sure that you connected your wallet to the YO.GO app. The minimum deposit is $50. And the withdraw, it's also something amazing that you have. You can withdraw whatever you want. So if you want to withdraw now, you can withdraw right now. If you want to withdraw tomorrow, you can do it also. So it's up to you when you want to do it. The withdraw, it's the same. You need to connect your wallet and then you will put how much you want to withdraw and it will come into your Tonkeeper wallet. Also guys, if you want any help with your Tonkeeper, you can always contact me in the Telegram. My link will be down below. So the transactions, as you see, like I said, I deposited $2,500. It was 17th of May. And then you will have the withdraw tab, the referrals and the trades. Then you will have your trades. Every trade that the bot did will appear here, so you can see. The last one was LTC 1 minute ago. You have the entry price and the exit price, and how much did you earn or how much did you lose, of course, because it's a trade platform, you cannot always win your trades. And the support button, if you click it, you will have every contact that you need for the people that can help you with problems that you are having in the bot. So you can just click support and send a message for one of them. And you have the language up here. After you click it, you have Russian and English. I chose English for you to understand better what am I showing you. So let's go to the team tab. As you see, I have 15 active people in my team. And how does the referral program works? You have 3 lines on the referral program. The first line, each deposit that your friend is making, you receive 1% of that deposit and you receive a percentage of each trade they are doing in YO.GO app. The second and the third line, it's only the receiving percentage of each trade, so you are not receiving 1% of the deposit. Also, I have $17 for withdraw, so if I click claim, it will be appearing on my home page on the total deposit, and it will start working with the money that I deposited already. Then you have the trades tab where you can see all of the trades that YO.GO did. Then you can see all of the trades. As you see, it was 58% good trades and 41% bad trades. And you also can see all of the trades down here that the bot did today, and the entry price and the exit price. And the last thing of this bot, it will be info. If you still have any questions or don't know how the bot works, you have everything here. from the referral program up to let's get started, so you can read everything that you want here and know more about this project. So the project is really simple. You just top up your balance from your Tonkeeper wallet to the YO.GO wallet, and then your money starts working immediately and you start receiving profits each minute. Of course, if you have any questions, you can always ask me. I will leave my Telegram down below. Also, the links for the project will be down below and everything that you need to know will be down below. Do not forget to hit that like button, to subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. I will try to make better videos. I just need time because YouTube needs consistency, and I will improve my English 100% with these videos. I'm just here because I like doing this. I like sharing with you ways to make money, and also it's a way that I can help people if they want to invest in something but don't know where. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video.